Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to install Google Chrome browser or any app to Chromecast with Google TV. There are several ways to search for install apps on your Chromecast. One option is to install them from Google Play Store on the phone you paired to your Chromecast. For compatible apps, there will be down arrow next to the install button and an option to add apps to your Chromecast remotely. Using the Google TV remote, you can press and hold the assistant button to dictate your search or scroll to the magnifying glass along the top of the screen and type out a search with the on-screen keyboard. There is also a search bar inside the app tab if you need it. Just keep in mind that you can have multiple profiles on one Chromecast with Google TV. If you can't find what you're looking for, first ensure you're signed into your right profile. After clicking an app's install button, you can open the app by pressing the Google Assistant button and saying open Google Chrome, for example. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.